there's some Amish guys that are our neighbors, but they can use equipment. So they recently got this combine this year for a good price. They got the bean head and the corn head 4-row, and they got their stuff off. So I have them taking my corn off for me, since the guy that normally does it's way a lot busier. Yeah, so they started. We were downtown for a Penguins game, and they got started. Got at least one wagon off anyways. I don't know. I got to see what the moisture is and all that. But looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 passes around. Probably filled the gravity wagon. I just wanted to come over, being that it's an older combine and they're getting it dialed in. I mean, they've already harvested some corn for themselves. I just wanted to see how it's doing thrashing corn and everything also. That's one of the, I mean, there's a cob there. It looks like it might have got ran over, but just seeing how well it's stripping the cobs. This one here's got a little bit on it. Nice and dented. Have to see what the moisture content is. But it's the International 1440. And it's been working pretty good for them. 4-wheel drive, and they paid a really good price on it. So I've been looking for one, but I've been looking for a little bit newer ones, 95, 9600s and newer. But this is a nice little machine. I'll get some video and drone footage of it working this week. We're gonna haul the corn ourselves. I want to get the lease properties done first, and then we'll get into mine. But we're gonna haul it, because normally those guys use semis and stuff. I'm gonna haul it myself. I'm just gonna use dump trailers, gravity wagons, and dump trucks. So we'll see how it goes. International 1440, 4-wheel drive, axial flow. From what I'm seeing, it's doing a pretty good job. There might be, it might be letting ears fall out of the head. Like, because every now and then I'm finding a whole ear that's not being thrashed, so it's not going through the combine. I'm guessing it's just falling out of the head. Now that they got the end rows off, you can see the rows here. Looks like pretty good stand of corn. I'm pretty happy with the way the corn grew this year. Looking forward to see how it yields. Let's see what's exposed here. What the corn's looking like. Here's what the corn's looking like. Pretty decent ears. Let's see what check and see the moisture. I don't have a moisture tester. I don't know if they do. Find out from the first load maybe. But nice ears everywhere. We're gonna be going at it all day tomorrow, but he's just, after work, he's available, so we've been taking off. I took that gravity wagon earlier, and I got mine over here now, so we should be able to get this field off tonight, and then we'll work on mine and the other lease property tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, the sun's going down, it gets dark early. Nice sunset. My corn across the street. They just took a pass off right here through the middle. But the ears look really nice. Nice big ears. Like it. Yeah, this is that Federal corn. Put some real nice ears on. I'm liking it. Test weight was a little low, but these ears are still pointed up too. Moisture is high, it was 23%. It's only going to take a little bit more in here. Wagon number 3 total, 2 for tonight. That's it for the 5-acre lease field. Looks like 3 bins. This one's obviously a little bit bigger, holds a good bit more, but than my gravity wagon. But 3 gravity wagons out of this 5-acre field, and we'll get started on the rest tomorrow. All right, so here's the first load of corn. Nice full wagon load. Hopefully it's not too wet. A little bit of foreign material in there. Not too bad, I guess. All right, so that was 5.5 tons of corn in this gravity wagon. That's not too bad. And moisture was a little high, 23%. So it is what it is. And the test weight was a little light at 50.7. So we'll see how the rest comes in. That was the outside couple rows. We'll see what the rest looks like.